it's a showroom. See the rubbers on the floor, 19-inch and above. Big booties on the bonnet, now the mamba feeling love. We can do it in a Charger, play with death, forget the glove. Show you things that shine like the crystals. Goals on the trigger pistols, not from London made. Got them cops who know no whistle. Got supersonic and permission. When I pass you feel the missiles. Missiles, missiles. Lord have mercy on them, cause I showroom. Lord have mercy on them, cause I showroom. Lord have mercy on them, cause I showroom. Lord have mercy on them, on them. They cut the budget, game reserve, toss the ring to that chick meanie. People seek attention nowadays, Martians come free me. There's an apostrophe and only shit that drilled to me. Speaking from the heart, cause it's into Puerto Ron. I'm just so very, very humble. Fuck it, mafia style. Bury 9 deep, way beneath the rubble. Some niggas hustle hard, and some just get in trouble. And some is daddy's baby, and the rest is just lazy. Cause I showroom. Lord have mercy on them, cause I showroom. Lord have mercy on them, cause I showroom. Lord have mercy on them, on them, on them. Creative and a righteous spirit, expressive extrovert. One day you'll get it, I'm a blending like chameleon amongst friends. No, I don't pretend, having meetings, changing lives. Guess I'll do it at the end. Alley-open is the specialty, your rim's about to bend. 5 mil for distribution, how many countries can we send? Talking North Korea, shipment we might lend, we might lend. I knock, Sunamun, wake up all Egyptians. Tell them I have found one, the Mayans were never missing. But before I say too much, King of Kings, ping ping. I'm just talking cars, I'm the walking book of Eli. So I know my journey's far, end with the house on the seaside. Something in Zimbabwe, but my own like the federale. Even all Asians, big up on Diwali. Understand I'm Roberto on Cavalli. Cause I showroom. Lord have mercy on them, cause I showroom. Lord have mercy on them, cause I showroom. Lord have mercy on them, on them, on them.
I'm so awesome, 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 I'm so awesome.
Yeah, introduce the nigga Dutchie on the beat. Bigger, take a seat before you kick back and take a fleet. Let you know I'm talking about the Heat, Miami Heat. LeBron James going in with no dunk. Yes, you know I'm about to go so far. Call me Will I Am. Or should I actually do what I'm about to do? Will I am. Actually, I'm about to kill these whack rappers with no flow. But I'm about to hit them up with no cocaine flow. Propane, no codeine, no Lil Wayne flow. This is DUTCHYI to the fucking death of me. This is a fucking freestyle. Man, boy, Diva got it flowing. So you know we ain't tripping, but we bout to flip it. Kick it to another beat, we bout to go tripping. We just bought an E. We ain't trying to take that fleet. Go back to the flea market where you bought your ass from. Shit, y'all was getting